What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite queen Modesty, coming at you live from Lagos, Nigeria. Sale for £15, and I got the bag for £30. So this is ASOS's own brand of shoe. Could you focus? Thank you. This is ASOS's brand of shoe, and the minute I saw the shoes, I absolutely fell in love. So, ta-da! It is suede at the back, and it is patent in front. Now, for those of you in Nigeria who would like to purchase these, this was on sale for £15, and I purchased it on 23rd of October, and it got here 8th of November as promised on the website. So, I mean, whew! Check out the shine on that, you guys. That is absolutely stunning. It is so gorgeous. I absolutely love these shoes. Could you focus? Phone? Hi. We're right here. Thank you. Okay, so these are the shoes. I mean, how gorgeous are these? So I would be rocking them today. I should be rocking them to church today, but I don't know if I would. But I definitely would take a lot of pictures with them. So watch out for them on my Instagram. I'll leave my the link to my Instagram page down below. I bought it. The shoe comes in half sizes as well, so I got this in a size 4.5. Normally I'm a size 4, but I got this in a 4.5 because it's pointy toe, and you really do need some space in front to you know, just in case the shoe is a bit tight. So I definitely got this in a 4.5, so you can get a size up if you are interested. This video is made on a Sunday. That was yesterday, so I'm going to be uploading it on a Monday, which is tomorrow. Monday the 12th of November, so which is today that you're watching the video. Okay, you know what, just let it go. Okay, so these are the heels that I got. I absolutely love them. I mean, the patent is paying. It's bomb. I love it. And then we're going to go on to the, I mean, you can see the packaging. It had oh, okay, they're all falling out. All right, so this is basically, I mean, it has like a double ankle strap over here, which is just absolutely stunning and just beautifully gorgeous. And I absolutely, I mean, check that out. What does it say? Okay, it says ASOS stores. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, ASOS stores. That's what it says. I mean, I do love ASOS shoes. They actually do last. For a very long time, I had one like red patent flats from ASOS's own brand, and I have walked through flood in that shoe. It lasted for a year plus. And I know that people may think it's not much, but considering how rough I used the shoe, for it to last for a year plus, like go through water and everything, and it was still intact, even still till today, it's actually still intact. All I need to do is actually just like glue the back a little bit, because it came out at the back. The seams at the back of the shoe was like a two-part shoe, so the seams at the back of the back part of the shoe actually did come out. So it's its own brand shoes that they actually do make really good quality shoes. So if you haven't given ASOS's own brand a try, you definitely should. Alright guys, so I have been able to bring it out from the bag. So it says www.glamorous.com, so that is where I got this bag from, but I got it from ASOS. So I've taken it out of the nylon packaging, and this is just like a little white dust bag. And then, okay, packaging isn't bad. Alright, the packaging really is not bad. Ooh, child. I have been looking for like a black bag, because the black bag that I got before, well, it has given up on me. Whoa, okay, come through then. Yo, the packaging is lit, and boy, okay, y'all need to stop playing games. What? Is this mine? Who got this? I got this. Yo, this is so cute, guys. Oh my gosh. And it has this little like tag thing that says glamorous on it. I'm definitely taking this to church today because yes, I actually ordered this for a GT fashion weekend in Nigeria. I wasn't able to go because the slots were full and I couldn't register, so all well and good. I still like, I mean, in as much as I couldn't go, I mean, I still get to rock these. I mean, look how cute, guys. Wow, it's so beautiful. And it is called the Black Croc. It's called the, okay, it says the Glamorous Black Mock Croc Cross. I don't even know what that says, but I guess you're supposed to use that to look for this exact bag on Glamorous, www.glamorous.com. But guys, look at this, y'all. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beautiful. Okay, I'm sure you guys want me to open it. But just, I mean, just let me enjoy this thing. You know, this is gorgeous. This is lovely. I mean, wow, you guys, this is beautiful. Okay, let's see what's hiding inside. It has a little situation going on here. Okay, so let that go. And how do you pop it open? Oh, I think you clasp. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Ooh, okay, so in here is the longer strap, and wow, the quality is really good. I mean, wow. Okay, so it's full. The top is actually crop skin. It has like the stuffing inside, so I'm going to bring that because I'm going to be using it today. Okay guys, let me see. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I think this should be pretty spacious, I would like to believe. Yeah, so that's it. Inside it has like, I think this is like some kind of cotton lining on the inside. This is basically the bag space, which is really, I mean, it's fair enough. It has like a seal here. Can we see what it says? Oh, this is really good leather though. Like, wow, this is really good leather. Okay, so I think that's about, let me just, okay, that's about the bag space it has going on there. But wow, this is good quality. I'm definitely going to check out their website because you guys, I mean, this quality is bomb. I can't wait to take this to church, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Yes. Alright guys, so that would be it for my unboxing video. Do leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, comment, yeah, I already said that. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, definitely we'll be doing more ASOS hauls as I purchase from ASOS. And I did want to get a few things from Misguided, but yo, their shipping fee to Nigeria is unnecessarily ridiculous. I mean, £30 when the item is just £12. I mean, come on now, that is like doing the most. So I just had to leave like Misguided because I saw this awesome patent bag on at Misguided, and I was like, whoa, I need to get it. It's so cute. It was so cute. It was so small, and I've been craving like a small patent, just a cute black bag, literally. And Misguided couldn't come through, but I was like, I know ASOS cannot let me down. ASOS never lets people down, so I had to go check on ASOS, and shazam! I mean, this is definitely worth £30. I mean, wow. The leather is really good. I mean, it's really nice, very thick. Seems like it will hold up really, really well. So I may do like a review, maybe, just to see like how well it lasts. Maybe like a 6-month review. So maybe next year, about May, thereabout, I'll probably do a review on this bag. But this is absolutely stunning. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. I love it. Yay. Okay guys, so that would be it for my purchases today. I absolutely love everything that I got from ASOS. The shoes, the bag, they're absolutely gorgeous, and can't wait to rock the heck out of all this like fabulousness. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.